Looks like NASDAQ market is trading sideways right before Microsoft and Google's mother company, Alphabet, is reporting earnings today after the market closes. I do want to let you guys know that I will be live streaming it for free on this YouTube channel, the Microsoft and Google earnings right after the market closes. So again, if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. Very, very quickly, what are the expectations for Alphabet's earnings? The EPS is $1.45. Their revenue is $75.98 billion. Microsoft has an expectation of $2.65 for their EPS, and that's their earnings per share, or $54.53 billion. It looks like in the beginning that Google was indicating signs of an uptrend, just like Tesla was, but then quickly gave back its gains as the NASDAQ market began to curl on over. This is something that we talked about during our live trading session today, and it looks like we're going back to retest our previous lows right now, and we'll see if we hold, right? Because we haven't broken below this, right? We haven't broken below this current support range, but it's going to be very interesting to see what the market tries to factor in advance before the actual earning reports comes out. I want to remind you, there's two parts to these earning reports. There's the earning reports, and then there's the guidance call. Two different catalysts. One can be good, the other one can be bad, or both can be good, or both can be bad. This is why it's so important that when you're in doubt, it's not a bad idea to cash out, right? As of right now, on the 30-minute time frame, the overall NASDAQ market is still bearish. This is 100% my opinion, but if you look at this, lower highs, lower lows, we ran up. We're still getting rejected by this moving average. We pulled on back. We're testing the support at the EMA. We could potentially sell back off down to 354. That shouldn't be much of a surprise. You have to understand the market is going to try to predict. It's trying to forecast and factor in advance what is going to be reported today after the market closes, and then it actually gets reported. So then that's a whole nother wave of potential momentum. But as of right now, the NASDAQ market is testing its support. Yes, it's in the green. We got TQQQ up 1.2%, but we really haven't done anything new. We haven't shown much progress on the downside. We haven't shown much progress on the upside. It's kind of just trading sideways, and it looks like the market is literally just waiting for these earning reports to come out. You might be asking, well, Ricky, why is the market still in the green, right? Because we do have NASDAQ market up 0.44% in the green. And I don't know if you guys saw, but overnight, Bitcoin did end up making new highs. It went back into the $31,000 range. That's great news. We're also now retracing back from that 5% benchmark on the treasury bonds. And now we've pulled back a little bit. So again, it looks like treasury yields are beginning to kind of flatten out, but we'll see, right? We'll see what happens after the market closes when these earning reports are released. I can reassure you this. I don't even care if you trade. If you've just been interested in paying attention to the market, you're going to want to tune on into this live stream. It's super, super interesting to see how some of the most valuable companies, right? We're talking about Microsoft, who has our market cap of 2.45 trillion, not billion, not million, trillion with a T. And then as well as Google, 1.75 trillion. You have to understand, if some of these companies drop 5 or 10%, we're talking about tens, if not hundreds of billions of dollars, either being made or being lost in a matter of minutes and sometimes even seconds. It's just such a crazy concept to understand, because all we're looking at are candlesticks, right? But when you actually do the math and you look at the market cap and you see what money is being either lost or gained, it's just a very interesting time to be paying attention to the market. Again, you don't have to trade during this time. It's very volatile, very risky, but it's one of my favorite times to just be paying attention to the market, because think about it. If these big tech companies do sell off, yeah, it sucks for current investors, but for people that are not already invested, I mean, you're getting a deal, right? And if you give it time for it to sell off and then it finds its support, you're at least getting in at a better price point than most other people are, right? And that's the beautiful thing about this. It's the timing of knowing when to strike. So very excited to be capturing today's earning reports of Microsoft and Google. That's going to be after the market closes. I hope to see you there. All you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications, and I will be going live about 10 minutes before the market closes to make sure that we capture the market's reaction to these overall earning reports. I will be breaking them down as well. And look at this. It looks like Google is showing signs of progress on the downside, and that is only going to hurt the NASDAQ market. So it looks like we might be in for a little bit of selling pressure, but remember, this means absolutely nothing in the grand scheme of things because we're all simply waiting for Microsoft and Google to report earnings. I hope to see you there. I hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.